So here the Chartered Accountant course has got 3 steps. The first step is CA Foundation. CA Foundation, that is to be done along with PU. So soon after your second PU, you can write the exam. Before that, while doing PU, first PU, you have to take the coaching for that, plus you have to register under ICAI. After completing your second PU, you can register for that. So that is for CA Foundation. But you can take the coaching during your first PU and second PU. So you have to take up the exam in the month of November. After your second PUC, November or May. So 2 options will be there, November or May, or lifelong you can keep on taking the exams. If you are challenging, if you are dedicated in one attempt, you can clear a CA Foundation. So CA Foundation you have to take along with PU. Is it clear? So that is the first step. The second step is intermediate. Once you clear CA final, clear your second PU, join BCom, which is providing CA intermediate. So you have to choose that college which is providing BCom and with CA intermediate. So complete your BCom and complete your intermediate. Then you can again, there also you have to register for intermediate, that is for ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So you have to register under ICAI for even for CA Foundation and even for intermediate. So intermediate is a 9 months course. In that you can take both the exams, level 1, level 2, or you can go for level 1 now and later for level 2. But you have to clear it. So once you clear intermediate, complete your BCom, because don't leave the BCom. BCom degree is essential. Then after completion both, you go for CA final. CA final, under that you have to work under a chartered accountant. Before that you have to take a computer training, and after completion of intermediate you have to go for CA final. There you have to work under a chartered accountant. So you start getting your pay. So you start earning plus learning plus CA foundation. You have to register for CA final course. So 3 steps. First one is CA foundation, that is along with PUC, intermediate, that is along with the BCom, and last one is CA final, that is along with your chartered accountant. You have to work under a chartered accountant. So CA comes under ICAI. Once again I repeat, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. CA is not tough. It is tough for tough people. So the chartered accountant, if you have that dedication, CA, once you decide, you should not change. CAML, it should be CA only. Your target should towards CA. Yes, I want to do CA, and your name starts with CA Ravi Kumar, CA Sharat Chandra, so CA Abhishek. So it works. CA Nandini. So these are my students, so I am informing that. So that CA, the name gives them a proud for their family, for their parents. So make your parents happy and make your life a better one. So wide options are there for commerce students, especially the chartered accountant course is one of the best course, I bet you. It's one of the best course you can do. So the age, you during your PU degree, in that age itself you have to prepare for that. Don't drag it. Don't think that I will do later. Later you can't do. Now in our age, we are not able to do any new courses. Enough. So during your study time, that is your age, that is a perfect age. In that perfect age, you have to prepare for CA. Once that age is over, then you start searching for a job. Once you get the job, then your CA dream will be no more. So for that reason, once if you dedicate, once after your SSLC, if you are taking commerce and you dedicate that I want to do CA, see that should be done. Your age should not change. So that is my main intention of this video is that many students, what they do is that they come with an aim that I want to do CA. After 1 month, their aim changes. So So this should not be the case. The investment is very less compared to all other courses, MBBS, engineering, other course yearly. Here it is very cheap. Your CA course will be within 50,000. Within 50,000. So you can complete your CA and you just observe the life of chartered accountants, how they are leading their life. Even you can become a government company auditor. So many have this fear that CA is tough. Please take it out from your mind. Have a focus on that. Coaching centers are there. Wide options are there. So you can take coaching and you can do CA. Chartered accountant comes under ICAI. So you can do it along with your PU. There are 3 steps. One is CA final. That is the last one, middle, CA intermediate, and the first one is CA foundation. CA foundation syllabus are moreover the PU syllabus. So PUC accountancy and the major is. So accountancy syllabus, then the PU business studies salpa ide, then little law is there. So all PU related stats, both basic maths. So if you take that, okay, then for intermediate it is all BCom level. And for CA final, you need practical experience. For that reason, you have to work under a chartered accountant. Once again, the Commerce Aspirants, please think over. For Commerce, CA is the number 1 and you can do it. Definitely you can do it. Don't have an impression that it is tough. It is tough for tough people. Again, I am telling, it is tough for tough people. Are you tough? So definitely you can do. So I request everyone being a CA trainer, I know that CA foundation is not so tough. Intermediate is also not so tough. The little bit is CA final. Then you need a perfect practice. So there are many to guide you. Chartered accountants are there to guide you. There many chartered accountants are required for a year. In a year there are many chartered accountants, but only few are coming out. Please remember this, only few are coming out. Your life will be settled once you do chartered accountant. So the course details and what all will be there, how to prepare, I will be providing in next clipping. Hope you all have heard to what I said. Once again you listen to this. So I feel proud if the younger generation are coming out as a chartered accountant. Do commerce in a different style. Let it be in a different style. Don't be a common man. Be a different man. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Yes, welcome to the world of CA, that is Chartered Accountant, Trends in Principles of Accounting, that is a CA Foundation, the first subject, that is Principles of Accounting. Remember all, hard work is the only key for success. Yes, myself, Rachan Appamaya, CA Foundation trainer of SVG Vishwaprajna PU College, Dattagally, Mysore. Chartered Accountant comes under ICAI. So, chartered accountant can be done by any stream students, any arts nauru madbodu, science nauru madbodu, commerce nauru madbodu. So, ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, that image is shown there, that is the institute which is providing CA course, CA Foundation, CA Intermediate and CA Final, all should get registered under ICAI. Next, about the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, abbreviation ICAI, formed in 1949, 70 years ago. It was formed, Chartered Accountants, it was formed by Chartered Accountants, enacted by the Parliament of India. So, any changes in the syllabus, it should pass in the Parliament of India. So, it is a high level. ICAI is not a common institute. Remember, it is a high level institute. Headquarters ICAI Bhavan, that is New Delhi. Official language English, Hindi. Then President Prafulla, Vice President Atul Kumar, then Secretary Rakesh Sehgal, and the website is there. You get more information from that. Next, earlier it was CPT, now it is changed to CA Foundation. CA Foundation syllabus 2019, it is revised now, and CPT is now called as CA Foundation. So all should remember, earlier it was CPT, now it is CA Foundation. The name has changed. So next, CA Foundation subjects, the first subject is Principles and Practice of Accounting, that is moreover your first and second PUC accountancy syllabus. So then it is a descriptive type and means you have to write more explanation. Second one is Mercantile Law and General English. Then in the two divisions are there, Mercantile Law and General English, that is for 100 marks. Principles and of Accounting is for 100 marks. Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning, that is Statistics, for 100 marks. Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning, under that 60 marks. Statistics 40 marks. Last subject, that is Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, that is also your PU related. Statistics PU related, Economics PU related, Accounting PU related, 100 marks. So altogether for 400 marks. Paper and paper 3 and 4 will be objective type, means MCQ, all other will be descriptive. Next, CA Foundation syllabus for under Principles of Accounting. 95% of CA Foundation account syllabus are of NCERT first and second PU Commerce. Earlier it was 80%, now it is 95%. Be perfect with NCERT and you can score 60 out of 100, that is for sure. Next, theoretical framework, accounting process, BRS, inventory, then concept and accounting, depreciation, special transaction, bills of exchange, all these are the chapters, sale of goods on approval on return basis, and then final accounts, partnership, then shares, basic accounting ratios. So all these are the CA Foundation syllabus. Next, how to prepare for accounts for CA exam. Have a strong accounts foundation and be perfect with first and second PU accounts to clear the CA Foundation account subject. Admission to CA Foundation, November, if you are going to attempt, you have to take admission in the month of April or May. Preparation, then appear in the exam. If you are going to take up the exam in the month of May, take admission in the month of January, February, prepare well and appear for the exam in the month of May. So November and May, you can attempt twice in a year, and there is no age limit, you can keep on attempting. Clear? So once you get registered, then you have to renewal it after 3 years. Okay. Next, expert advice for accountancy preparation. Prepare a timetable, join the proper coaching. ಸೊ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು CA ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, CA Foundation coaching. Prepare a timetable for that. Make a proper timetable. Teachers are the candles who burn themselves to light others. Focus on calculation part in accountancy. Then expert advice for accountancy. Prepare your own revision notes. Then command over calculator. Calculator ಹೇಗಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಓದಬಾರ್ದು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓದಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ಲೆಸ್, ದೆನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ for the studies. So that is very important. Taking break is good, but coming back is very essential. Then minimum 3 times revision you have to do. Then write and learn. You have to maximum write and learn. Dedication is very much important, dear students. Dedication, devotion, discipline, very much important for becoming a CA. Discipline is a very must because it is a professional course. From the time you start CA, you should be professional. You should be very professional. Then CA Foundation model test papers. And one more thing, fully depend upon ICAI textbooks. So ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, will provide you the textbooks. Please depend over that and don't depend on any other textbooks. Is it clear? Expert advice for accountancy preparation. Focus on presentation. Then memory. So memorize. Talk less. Work more. clear? Dedication is very much important. Once again I am repeating. Question papers ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So how will be the question paper pattern? There will be, it is compulsory question of 20 marks with a mix of questions based on knowledge and application. It consists of questions in form of true or false, then descriptive will be there in accountancy, then weightage, then the question paper will be according to the weightage only. Now ICA has given a weightage, the same pattern it will be there. So 5 to 20% it is based on comprehension and knowledge, then 80 to 95% analysis and application. Question paper is set at this level require applying and analyzing concepts, then reconciling, BRS, solving problems by integrated provisions, identifying the nature of expenditure or income, so non-trading concern, partnership, then the financial statement, cash flow, ratio analysis, all these chapters you should be thorough. Then weightage, accountancy weightage, CA foundation, chapter wise weightage, theoretical framework 5 to 10 marks. Second chapter accounting process 20 to 25 marks, accounting for special transaction 50 to 25 marks, final accounts 25 to 30, company accounts 10 to 15, accounting ratios 10 to 15 marks. Then accountancy most important topics, that is CA foundation, most important topics are final accounts and financial statements. Students can expect minimum one question from each of these chapters, the total of 25 to 30 marks. So accounting process, BRS, inventory and depreciation, that talks about 4 major topics with numerous concepts to tested on. So this prepare, you can accumulate marks up to 50 and reach your goal for exemption. Still clear? Next, tips for CA, Commerce Accountancy Foundation. Commerce students already know this. Accountancy is the most scoring subject in CA Foundation. Presentation of paper is in the allotted 3 hours is an important skill. Adequate working notes. Then standards. That are Indian accounting standards. There are 32 standards that they should be perfect. And while working under a CA, they should implement that 32 standards. And this is our achiever, that is CA CPT achiever Rohan Bharadwaj is a CPT achiever. Then is a young chartered accountant. One of the chartered accountant, more than 20 students have completed CA. My students have completed CA. In that, one of them is Amod Kamath. Is a young. You can look at his photo, how young he is. So when he can do, why not you? Okay. So it's not an impossible. So hard work is very much essential. Nothing is impossible. So try out. Start from today. Next, these are the students who have completed CA, that is CA Nandi Swati, then CA Satyan and CA Abhishek, and one more CA Nandini is there, and many more are there. I said that more than 20 are there, so I could not put all the photos here, so 3 are there. And these are our CA CPT achievers, that is Guru Basavaraj, Srinidhi, then Satvik is there, Basavaraj is there, then Gaurama is there, then all these are our CACPT students. So to become a chartered accountant, we are there to support you. I'm always there to guide you. So think over, never neglect commerce. If you have taken commerce, do it in a different level. So never neglect commerce. Is it clear? So do it in a different style, because the competition is very high, very high. If you just do BCom and if your interview is called, there will be thousands to attend interview along with you for a small job. But if you have done chartered accountant, only 2 or 3 may be there along with you. And once you complete chartered accountant, you can keep your own office. You need not depend upon others. You need not depend on others. You need not work under any other. You can work under own, and you can have your own building and never depend on others. Your life will be settled and your life will be very beautiful. Is it clear? Hope you understood my small presentation. I thank you one and all for listening me, and any doubt, once again you listen to this video, and encourage all the commerce students. From one person it is not possible, so you all should join hands. So shake hand with me, and you see that all commerce students are going towards CA to become chartered accountants. So this is from Rachan Appanamaya. the Commerce Dean of Vishwaprajna PU College SVG, Sharada Vision Gurukula at Dattagalli, Mysore. Okay, hope all have got it. Thank you, one and all.